Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 61, lesson integers, lecture number 11. Integers. Integers are an infinite series of number both positive and negative. The set of integer you can write in a curly bracket and it is represented by z like as you write from 0 1 2 3 4 and so on, then write be 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and so on. You can be write like as no in positive integers write z plus, then integers negative and write as z minus. You can write like as in check in the example. Integers on the number line, first you write in the center of the line as 0 number, then you write in the right side you write in a positive number plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on, and then in left right you write in the minus number, then we write in the with the minus sign you write in minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and so on. On page number 63 filling the boxes with the symbols. Example 2, filling the boxes with the symbols with a sign of greater or smaller. Minus 5 is smaller than plus 5, minus 3 is greater than minus 14, and 0 is greater than minus 5, and minus 5 is greater than minus 10. Minus 5 lies to left of the plus 5 on the number line, then so be you can be write like as no minus 5 is smaller than plus 5. मैं आपको बताता जाऊँ कि जितनी बड़ी माइनस की वैल्यू होगी वो उतनी छोटी हो जाती है एज कंपेयर स्मॉलर वैल्यू के. फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास माइनस 5 जो है वो स्मॉलर देन प्लस 5 है. अगर ये माइनस 5 1 के साथ भी कंपेयर किया जाता तो प्लस 1 ग्रेटर देन माइनस 5 होता. लाइक एज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 which is a smaller, minus 99 or 9. 9 is greater than minus 99. Okay, arrange the following integers in increasing order. Okay, first minus 3 4 minus 1 0 and plus 2. You can be write like as smaller to greater. You can write like as in this example, first you write minus 3, then minus 1, then 0 2 and 4. Okay. Exercise 5a. Arrange the following integers in the increasing order. First part 3 minus 5 minus 2 and 1. First you write the value or smaller value, then write other value. First are done for you. Minus 5 part first minus 5 minus 2 1 and 3, and part 2 like as minus 8 minus 7 minus 2 and minus. Write the next 3 integers in each of the following sequences. First for you minus 9 minus 6 and minus 3 7 4 1. Question number 2 0 3 6. First part answer, then be second minus 2 minus 5 and minus 8. Question number 3, give 2 possible integers for the placeholder in each of the following cases. 0 is greater than minus 1 and minus 2, and part 2 answers minus 1 and 0, and then part 3 answers minus 4 and minus 5. Which is greater, minus 111 minus 1 and 111? The greater value is minus 111. Answer of this question. Arrange the following sequence of integer in decreasing order. Decreasing order means first you write the greater value, then you write the smaller. Question number 4 and 5. First you write 2, then write 0, then minus 5, minus 3, then minus 5. No. Part 2, first you write 4, then 1, then minus 2, then minus 1. Part 3, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Question number 6. 2 buses left Hyderabad on the same day. One traveled 176 kilometer towards Lahore, while other traveled 66 kilometer in the positive or opposite direction. Find the distance between the 2 buses at end of the day. End of the day. Question number 6. You add both value 170 and 66, you can got the answer 236 kilometer.